Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to set up recurring payments in Stripe with a clear, step-by-step guide to creating subscription payments smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to stripe.com. Once the website loads, click on the Sign In option. Enter the email address and password connected to your Stripe account. Then click Sign In to access your dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything, including your recurring payments. After logging in, you'll land on the Stripe dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, find and click on Billing. This section allows you to manage subscriptions, invoices, and other important payment settings. Next, click on the Subscriptions tab. Here, you can view existing subscriptions or create a new one. To set up a new subscription, start by entering the customer's name or email address. This ensures the subscription is correctly linked to the right customer. Now, choose the billing frequency. Decide how often you want to charge your customers, whether it's weekly, monthly, yearly, or another interval that fits your business model. After selecting the billing cycle, add the product or service you want to offer as a subscription. This step clearly defines what the customer will be paying for on a recurring basis. Then, set the price. Make sure the amount is accurate and includes any applicable taxes or additional fees. Transparent pricing helps avoid confusion and builds trust with your customers. Next, choose the billing start date. You can begin immediately or schedule it for a future date, depending on your business needs. Select the preferred payment method. Stripe supports multiple payment options, so choose the one that best suits your business and customers. Before finalizing, review all the details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, click Create to activate the subscription. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.